Meet Nauty360, a marketplace designed to rent and offer your boats, from sports boats, sailboats, catamarans, yachts, super yachts, to unique day trips and experiences in the best cities in the world. Remember that you must be registered to get the most out of our marketplace. Please enter the information we request and confirm your email. You can find your best option from the main page by entering the city, type of boat, and departure date. You will be able to find all the options that Nauty has for you. And once you have chosen the one that suits your needs, you will have the opportunity to know the details of your boat or experiences. When you have decided which boat to rent, you will be able to obtain Avianca Live Miles and redeem coupons where it will be detailed and you will know the values to pay in real time. Your reservation will be ready to be confirmed by our team, and you can pay through our payment platforms. Once your experience is over, you can comment, rate, and recommend it through your profile. We hope you enjoy Nauty360.